Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa. Hope you're all having a wonderful and creative day. And today is going to be the absolute last video on this purple journal. So, I'm going to be reaching out to Trudy. She is the first one that requested if she'd like to buy it. So I'm going to reach out to her to see if she wants it. And if she decides she doesn't want it, which I understand, no hard feelings. And the second person that asked about it was Michelle. And again, if Trudy doesn't want it, I'll reach out to Michelle. If she doesn't want it, no hard feelings. I understand. And yeah, again, like I said before, if anyone's interested ever in any of the journals, or reach out to me. These single ones I usually sell for $25. And they're chunky. I'm not in it to make the hard, fast cash on these. I just love making them, and unfortunately, if you watch my channel, I love making a lot of them. So I have a lot of them sitting on a shelf that I won't be able to use. There are some that I won't sell, but I would say 98% of them I would sell. So without further ado, I have a few more journal cards. I've got some stuff already, some digitals that I put on cards, and some decorated some, and have still some blank ones. But I think I only need about 5 or 6 cards to finish this guy off. So let's go with that. All right, so this one is done. I am not sure. Oh, I did add a couple things while I was going through here. I decorated this paint strip with just a yellow flower, kind of bring out the yellow in there, and a little tippet kind of thing, just to give it some pizzazz. All right, so this is the same. That stayed the same. That I didn't add to. Oh, I did throw this in there. It is just a journal card that I didn't add anything to because I thought it was pretty enough with the flower and the ledger behind it, and put that in there. This is that flip out belly band. This got the skinny little like bookmarks in there. Very fun. Okay, this I had explained the last video that I had finished, so we don't have to do that. Same with that. And that, I just added this digital here. This fold over from this pocket that goes to this side, the words were upside down wonky. So I just added that label there so you still see a bit of the words, but it doesn't look as upside down. And I did not put something here. And I needed something tall. Not much a fan. Oh, how about this one? Oh, I think I like that one. I like it this way better. Add the little purple flower. Okay, that is just, again, on a digital, on a white background. Simple, easy to do. All right, this is an uptuck. And I do have that, but I do like that name. Do I have some? I think I wasn't going to put anything in there, but how about that one with the lady? Because she's never going to go sideways because she's too tall. And I do like her face, and this purple really matches well. So I lied, I will put something there, and the purple really matches that. So there we go. Okay, charms in the center. All right, this I specifically had pulled out these little cards, and I did decorate them with butterflies because there's butterflies on there. So I think I'll put that one on the other side. Okay, little butterfly wing sticking out on that side, and we'll hide the butterflies, but we'll have the numbers sticking out on that side. I think that looks good. Lots of butterflies on that page. Okay, this one, oh, I think I had it. No, I had that in there already with the tab. But there is this side. And I did have this skinny one, again on the white, which should go in there beautifully. And it does. I like that. That goes well. I like it that way better. Okay. Nice skinny place to write something. Flip out, hide, beautiful, done. Okay, uptucks were done before. Oh, this one I had this card. This was just a plain purple card. What I did make it off camera is I stamped in the background just the generic stamp of the words, and then a digital and just a label. And I thought that was enough. I like the words in the back because it's very similar to the words on that postcard. But I thought that was good. And that's going to fit right in there beautifully. Okay, and that one's done. I did add this. This was a thicker, I think it was like a Tim Holtz thing that had a little side pocket. And I thought this would be good. This could still be a writing spot, but now that there's some color on there, I think that'll work. Because this, I think, is too small. This I'm fine with. And this is good. And that is done. That is tucked in. That is just a tuck. And that can go in there because that is, I like those words on top. And done. Okay. I had a couple left over that I can always put into my next rainbow one. But there you go. I have decided not to close it. It can be added to at some point if somebody wants to close it, but I did not really have anything that I felt would look nice there, because the only thing that I would think of doing would be put eyelets in there and tie it off, but I didn't have anything that I thought would go nice with it. So I decided not to do that. I didn't want to wrap anything around because I love that cover so much. Okay, well, that is it. That is the flip through of the final purple journal. It's a purple. All right. So again, I'm going to reach out to Trudy, see if she wants it, and then Michelle. But either way, no matter what, I had so much fun making this. Probably one of my favorite to date. But isn't that always it is? The last one you make is your favorite to date. But I guess that's good because it keeps you going, because the next one you make is going to be your next favorite. Okay, that's going to be it for me today. I appreciate each and every one of you that has stopped by and gone through this purple journal or purple journey with me. As usual, I hope you all have a wonderful and creative day. Bye for now.